Relax. Hey, this is not going to change the outcome. Stop, okay? This is not going to change the outcome.
Now you're resisting. Now you're resisting.
Because I'm not. I'm just saying I'm fed up. I'm human.
Relax.
They have caused trouble.
On August 31st, 2022, after receiving a call about a neighbor shouting and playing loud music, an officer was dispatched to the residence. Officers had previously visited the residence for similar incidents.
Tabitha.
I have nothing to say to you. Nothing.
I never did anything to you.
I have nothing to say to you.
Walk back to your lot here.
Oh, I wish he'd walk on my side of the grass.
Listen.
Is that a threat?
No, it's a promise. It's not a threat, it's a promise.
Tabitha.
No. Walk up. No, that's not a threat. Just walk on my side.
Go in the house.
You want to go in handcuffs?
Don't
go back on her property again.
She won't.
Enjoy your Christmas gift that I bought you, not Monty.
Turn around and go.
Monty don't even like your ass.
I got her.
Don't go back on her property.
She won't. But the next time.
Absolutely, she did not invite you if she's sitting there yelling at you to get off the property.
The next time they call the cops for no reason, then you guys need to do something about
You go back over
them.
there, I'm going to arrest you. Don't go back over there.
You will arrest
She did not invite you.
Listen to her ring
Just stay off the property.
Just go in the house, man.
You want to come out here and cause a disorder, I'll arrest you for disorderly conduct. If you want to be persistent, I'll take you to jail on it.
Hey, look, go in the house.
Calm down.
Go in the house. Hey, what they don't realize, okay? This is private property. You don't go back on their property.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
But we will say what we want on this property.
All these neighbors need to mind their business.
Hey,
I do nothing but work and take care of
Tabitha,
my kids.
I already told you, quit being disorderly. You want to run it again, I'll arrest you, take you to jail.
Go look in her house. Why don't you do a drug bust?
Go inside and be quiet.
Well, I went out on my back porch and she was hollering because Sharon called the cops. And I said, Sharon.
The lady I was just talking to?
Yeah, I said, Sharon didn't call the cops on you, Tab.
She didn't.
I
just was talking to them because she was trying to motion to me and I couldn't hear her.
Yeah, because she was on the back patio hollering at me.
Right.
And I said, no, you accused me of calling the cops on you earlier today, Tab, and I didn't do it.
She's obviously saying you invited her over here.
No, she said,
I know, but the way you were saying it, I'm like, she didn't invite you over here.
She asked me, could I walk to the fence and talk to her? And I said, no, I have nothing to say to you. Nothing at all.
Yeah. Right.
So then I walk out here and she's coming across my yard.
I already gave her a warning to stay off the property. So if she comes back on the property, I told her I'll arrest her. So if she walks back over here,
See, this is what I'm going to have to deal with all night long.
Well, if she comes back over here, I'll arrest her if you want that. Well,
The whole neighborhood can't.
quit being disorderly. All right, well, let us know if anything else occurs.
I'm sure I'll be calling you later.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
If you're
Tabitha.
concerned about my grass, mow it.
I told you to.
Go to your house.
Listen, I told you to
My
stop.
kid's father's at the hospital dying, and you're
told
worried
you-
about my grass. Mow it.
Get control.
You and your weird ass gay ass son.
Go
And if
inside.
you're not worried about it,
I
like she
don't talk
said,
about
fucking
you.
mow it.
I don't
Your
say
name.
shit to you with your dope
Get her,
bag.
get her inside, please, before I take her to jail.
Your dope bag son trying to give me acid. What you do
I
about
told
that?
you.
Give me a drug test.
Tabitha.
I am sober.
Tabitha, stop. So what are we going to do to stop this? Am I going to have to take everybody to jail for the persistent disorderly?
Walk over here,
Listen,
Sharon.
hold on. Hey, Mama,
I can't hear you.
Can I talk to this man for a minute?
God damn, this is exactly what
Can I
they
talk to
want.
him?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Hey, can you
I've
walk
been
me down?
dealing with this shit forever.
Can I talk to him for a minute?
Damn.
Go in the house.
No, 'cause I'm gonna start
I am your mother.
Tabitha,
Go in here, Mom.
you need to calm down.
You are my mom, but you're sitting here
Can I
acting
talk to him
like.
for a minute?
You know what? Quit running your mouth and mow your mouth. On my yard.
She really worth all that.
Can
all
you
that
go in the
energy?
house?
You're so worried about shit.
Jordan, have another
Mow
unit
my
down
grass.
here,
really
please.
worth
I'm not-
Go in the house.
You know something? There's nothing I could do to calm
I
you
am
down.
tired of it.
Handle you.
My boss can write out something 11-hour shift. I worked my ass off. I got off early today. I enjoyed my pool. That's all I did. What do you do? Live off the government. Work from home. Get a job. Get a life. I'm so tired of these neighbors. I'm so tired. My
What
kid
I'm
is
concerned
fed.
about is you guys all yelling at each other and it's not getting you
These
anywhere.
neighbors suck.
It doesn't matter. You live next to them.
They need a life.
Well, you can either move or
Outside of,
ignore
oh,
it.
trust me, it's
You either
coming.
deal with it or move.
It's
That's your
coming.
option.
I don't know. I might stay and let them love me more than what they do now.
Or we can fall into the wind and they call you guys out.
Maybe I'll stay
Calling the
forever.
police isn't illegal.
Yes, please.
So the neighbor came up to the PD.
What's that?
The neighbor here came up to the PD, and that's Kat was talking to him and sat down here. Basically, she's highly intoxicated. Went over there after I had already told her boyfriend or husband here what was going on. He talked to me, calm, no big deal. I was about to leave. This lady comes out saying something to me I can't hear in the car, so I get out and went and talk to her. As I'm talking to her, this lady's intoxicated, walks over onto her property, who's the complainant, and she's over there, and they're starting to get into a yelling match.
Disorderly conduct.
Yeah. So I already warned her on persistence. We'll do that. I already warned her on quit being disorderly several times. So. I told her if she goes back on this lady's property, we'll arrest her for trespassing.
Trespass, yeah. So Tabitha, you are going to get a citation for disorderly conduct for your behavior today, okay?
If I go beat her ass, will you just arrest me?
We sure will.
Like, if I beat her ass, just arrest me for something that I'm... No, if I'm getting a citation, just arrest me
Tabitha,
for beating
relax.
her ass.
Relax.
I will gladly go to jail. No, I don't deserve that. I did shit wrong. I did nothing wrong.
Tabitha.
I'm here. I'm in my yard. But if you're giving me a citation or giving me something, give me something.
I've warned her for
else.
already.
Okay, she's going to be arrested.
Okay, if I'm going to be arrested, I'm beaten. Don't touch me. Don't, please don't
If
touch
you
me.
resist me, I'm going to take you.
Don't touch me. Please, don't touch me. Don't touch me. I didn't do shit wrong.
You're under arrest. Turn around.
I did not do shit wrong. Get off of me.
Quit tensing up.
I did not do shit wrong.
Relax. Hey,
I
this
did
is not going to
shit
change the outcome. Just
wrong.
stop, okay? This is not going to change the
Now
outcome.
you're resisting. Now
Relax.
Now you're resisting, Tabitha.
Because I'm not. I'm just saying I'm fed up. I'm human.
Relax.
They have caused trouble constantly.
I got her arm.
Why do you have to do it so tight?
Put your hand
Like
behind
my
your
hand's little.
Put your hand behind your
It
back.
is.
Ma'am, stand over there.
Put your hand behind
It
your back.
is.
No, put your hand
No,
behind
because you got it so tight.
Put your hand behind your back.
Yeah, and I'm making good money too. Trying to catch up on everybody's. I constantly my ass up for what?
Stick her in the car.
For what? For what?
Walk to the car here. Lift up.
I can't lift up if you're holding on
You're
to
not
me.
doing it. Listen to what I'm
I
telling you.
can't if you're holding on to me.
Go ahead, sit in the car.
God,
Get in the car. Sit in the car.
I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
Why? Why?
Pat,
Stop!
Pat, let me talk to her. Let me talk to her.
Well, let's shut the
Back
door
up, back
first.
up, back up.
Once we shut the door, you can talk to her.
Put your foot in the car.
Dad, put that foot in the car.
Put
Can I
your
get
foot
my clothes?
Put your
Put
foot in
your
the
foot in
car.
the car. Now. Come on now.
Put your
Come on.
foot in the car.
You know I didn't do anything.
No,
Put your foot in the car.
No, because they don't want to mind their business. I didn't do shit
Put
wrong.
your foot in the car.
I can't. I can get her to put her foot in the car without the physical stuff.
Good.
Talk to her.
Good.
I did not.
Okay?
Go put her foot in the car.
I will. Tap. This is nothing. Come on. Come on. Nope.
No, you know I didn't do
You
anything.
didn't. You did. But okay, put your foot in the car. All right?
What did I do?
You're going to sober up, and then I'm going to come and get you. Okay? Come on. Come on. Put your foot in the car. Stop.
Because I had some drinks
Okay.
at
you're
my
fine.
own house.
You're fine, though.
My own
You're fine.
privacy that
You're
I'm
fine.
paying for.
You're fine. You're fine. Put your foot in the car. You're going to sober up. And
No, I want clothes on. I'm not putting my foot. I want clothes on.
We're not letting her get out, so you can
You're
grab a
not getting-
jacket or something to slip
No,
over.
I'm not
top of her.
shutting the
That's as
door
far as
until I
we're
get clothes on
No, you
because
will.
this
You
is
will.
inappropriate.
You will.
No, I'm not.
All right, back up.
I want my clothes.
I got
Sure,
it.
just do me a favor and back up.
I want my
Back up.
clothes.
Will you listen, please?
I want my clothes.
God damn!
I want my clothes.
Put your foot in the car.
Can I please have
Put your foot in the car. Stop resisting. Stop resisting
I
and
just
put your
want my
foot in the car.
clothes.
Well, you should have never did what you was doing without.
Do what I did. Miss Callister, please, you know me.
God damn.
I'm not that person.
Put your feet in the car because you're facing more charges the more that you do
I
this.
just
Put
want
your feet in the
my
car.
clothes. I just
We'll talk
want
about the
clothes
clothes.
on.
We're not taking the handcuffs
I
off and you're not
promise
getting
I'm
dressed right now.
trying. I just want clothes
Stop
on.
and listen to me. Stop and listen to me. You are not.
She's got a towel.
Listen. Put your feet in the car. This is going to go really bad for you. I promise you. You need to put your feet
I
in the
didn't
car.
do anything.
Absolutely, you did.
I did. I'm
All you're
sorry. I
doing-
just want clothes.
You didn't listen.
Put your feet in the car. We'll have a discussion about how we can get your clothes. But until you do that, you do not control the situation. You are under arrest.
Clothes on.
You are under arrest.
I know. I get
Put your
that, and
feet
I
in the car.
understand. I just want clothes
We'll
on.
take clothes with you, but you need to put your feet in the car. Otherwise, there's no clothes coming with you, and this is exactly how you ride. That's your two options. Do what we ask you to do, and we'll work with you, or be disrespectful and uncooperative, and I'll push your feet in there, and you can kick and scream all you want all the
I
way to the jail.
wouldn't.
With the whole community listening to you.
I
Just put
just
your feet
want
in there.
clothes on.
Put your feet in there.
We'll get you some clothes. I promise we'll get you some clothes.
The whole community's looking at you. Look around.
Right there.
Everyone is
They all know, but
She's
these
not getting that
two-
until she cooperates.
They all,
Hang back
you
there
could
for
go
me.
to my
feet in. I'm not
neighbor's
closing the door, but put your
neighbor.
feet in. Work with me. I'll keep this door open. Put your feet in.
this t-shirt on?
In a minute. We got a t-shirt for you, but we can't put it on you until you cooperate and put your feet in the car.
I work in the morning.
You're not going to work
Yeah.
anymore. You're going to jail. There's no
Nope.
discussion about that. Now, whether or not they'll bond you out, whether you come out on your own or I can tell you this.
Persistent disorderly conduct. I explained that to
For
you.
what?
You didn't listen to me. Persistent disorderly conduct.
You were giving me.
No, I explained it to you several times.
No, you said you were giving me a citation.
And then you said
For
you were going to
what?
go beat your neighbor's ass so you can go to
No.
jail.
While your
No.
neighbors are standing outside.
And you're
listening,
going towards their house.
They weren't outside.
Tabitha, we have an obligation to stop you from going to your
I have
neighbor's
ring
property.
cameras all over.
All right.
put
When
your feet in
he
the car,
told
and
me-
we'll continue this discussion.
When he told
Or
me,
I'm going to put your feet in the car, and if I get hurt, then you're going to get charged with a felony. You understand that?
Trying to make everybody me. They hurt me, tase me, shoot me. I don't give a. I don't care because I didn't do shit wrong. I didn't do shit wrong.
Kick at him.
I didn't do anything.
I'm giving you the opportunity to get out of the bar. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, and I have an opportunity to call my lawyer because I did nothing wrong.
You can contact the
I
bar.
own my
Get in
own
here.
property.
Let's go.
I did nothing wrong. Officers
You need
was
to stop
called
moving.
30 minutes. Oh yeah, I'm so big, Olsen. Let me pull one at 4'11".
Stand up. Stop yelling.
Yell at me! Yell at me, I yell at you. How about that? Talk to me, I talk
I
to
am
you.
talking to you. Shut up.
Look at my history. I've never been in trouble. I worked since I was 13. I've never had CPS at my house. I've never been on drugs. I've never done shit wrong. I worked my ass off.
Police charged the suspect with criminal trespassing, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. In court, the suspect pleaded guilty to criminal trespassing and disorderly conduct. The judge sentenced her to 30 days in jail for the first charge and 20 days in jail, plus 24 hours of community service for the second charge. The court dropped the third charge of resisting arrest.